Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy S22 Ultra and also give you my first impressions on it. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up the Galaxy S22 Ultra. As you see in the title, I'm gonna call it the Note 22 Ultra because it is pretty much the Note in the S22 Ultra's name. It's like if I took my Chrysler 300, took the Chrysler's emblems off, put a Ford in there, it's still a Chrysler. It's not a Ford. So that's basically what Samsung did. They took the Note body and just threw the S22 Ultra in there. But let's get into this video. I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing. I'll probably go use it for a couple hours, come back and give you my first impressions because the boxing experience is kind of boring these days, but you know, you still gotta do it. Look at that, the S. Yes, I got Burgundy, so you have some tape. I got this straight from Samsung, unlocked version. And I got the S-Tab 8 also. Oh, I got, oh. This color here. I think I got the best color, y'all. I mean, if you got black or white or the red one, I'm happy for you, but you missed out. You just missed out. Let's see if we got some power. We should. Maybe. Let's see what else you get in the box. You get the charging cable. And you get some books. That is pretty much the unboxing experience with these devices these days. I mean, that's it. That's all you get. And the SIM tool remover, whatever you want to call it. Can't call it SD slot because, you know, that just doesn't happen anymore. But look at what I think about those cameras there compared to this. Let's see. It's about the same. Look at that. All right, so let's go over the specs really quick too, because people like specs still. So let's give them what they want. All right, so in the front, you have a massive 6.8 inch Quad HD display, 120 hertz refresh rate. This one has 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. It also has Android 12 out the box. It has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor in there. It's supposed to be the most powerful processor on a phone ever, but we will see. Also, it comes with, you know, the normal stuff, high IP68 rating, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging. Like I said, the battery is pretty big, 5,000 milliamp hour battery. You can also get this up to a terabyte of storage with, I think, like 16 gigs of RAM too. So the rear cameras here, bam, you can see that there. You have a 108 megapixel main shooter. You also have a 10 megapixel telephoto lens, and then also a 10 megapixel, like another telephoto lens, but it's called a periscope. So basically it helps with the telephoto lens. Then you also have a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. You have a bunch of lenses back there too. On the front, you have a 40 megapixel camera with the little cutout there. They didn't do it in display. You do have an in-display fingerprint scanner. You also have stereo speakers. But let's go over the phone itself. You have volume rockers here, the power button. At the bottom, you have your SIM card slot, the microphone, USB type charging port, the speaker. And no, that's not a headphone jack. That is the built-in pen for the S22 Ultra. Again, call it the Note. And then on this side, is plain and clear. Some antenna bands up there. At the top, you have another microphone, but look how flat that is. Man, this is a beautiful looking device. All right, y'all, so what I'm gonna do now is pause the video. I wanna go use it for a while and come back and give you my first impressions of it. But it does feel great in the hands though. But I wanna go use it, try it out, try the S Pen out, try the fingerprint scanner out, and just come back and give you my first impressions. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. I'll be right back, y'all, by the video editing, even though it's gonna be like a couple hours from now. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. I've been using the phone for about 4 hours now, and it's a beast. It is a beast. It's a go, whatever you wanna call it. It's the top of the line Samsung phone. Does it feel like a Note 22 Ultra? Yes, it does. How it feels in the hand, how the S Pen is, you know, embedded in the phone, everything screams Note. The display, the 6.8 inch Super AMOLED or Dynamic AMOLED, whatever they call it, these days is great. The refresh rate is great. Everything about this phone screams premium. Even the feel in the hands, the color about it, it's a great phone so far. Now, will that change? It could. Stay tuned. Like I said, I will have more videos on this phone coming up, but for right now, it's a great device. It's pretty much everything that I thought the S22 Ultra was. I mean, it's a great device. The pen works great, no lag really. It looks good too. The new processor, I haven't had any type of overheating yet, any issues. I really haven't pushed it. Stay tuned, I will be doing a gaming test, a gaming review on it really soon too. So stay tuned to the channel for that. But overall, it's working like it's supposed to. Y'all let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see on this device. I will definitely try to make them as soon as possible. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy 22 Ultra / Note. Also, I have the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra too, so stay tuned for that. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And